So HP SkyRoom is actually a high-definition video communications and collaboration tool. It's available for free on HP workstations, both mobile and desktop Z workstations. For non-HP customers, they would pay a one-time fee of $149. So if you look at this from reducing the carbon footprint, one flight between San Francisco and Las Vegas, you've more than paid for that software. So CES, think about that. The greatest things about HP SkyRoom is that it's got a patented technology behind the video engine to be able to communicate personally one-to-one, eye-to-eye, and then the image engine to be able to share everything from large video file to architectural engineering drafting, and then to be able to have people collaborate on those. The big difference of what this tool does is it allows people to collaborate in real time. Let me just say that when we're looking at each other and I'm talking some geek spec thing and your eyes roll, I know you didn't understand that. If I don't have a tool like SkyRoom and I'm on the phone, I don't know that, and I keep going on instead of re-articulating exactly what it would take to make SkyRoom a real tool that could be used.
You know, we use Skype, and sometimes it's good, and sometimes it degrades, and it really depends on the connection to some degree. And what about performance in SkyRoom, and how does that work?
So the great thing, this imaging engine and the video engine have patented technology in there that I won't talk about. But basically, instead of sending the file or the application that you collaborate with, what we call internally is scraping the pixels. We packet those pixels and send them over the internet. So not the whole big file, just all the small pixels. When it arrives on the other end, we unpack that, and all of a sudden it's live on your desktop, the same look that it was when it left the original desktop. So this technology allows us to send pixels, not entire large files. Therefore, it doesn't take as big a pipe as one might think.
It's not Flash, it's some proprietary platform.
It's not a proprietary platform, it's patented technology that allows us to do this. In fact, those packets of information come 4 times faster than a blink of an eye.
And it shows and it works on Macs and PC Linux?
It works on, no, it works on XP, Vista, and Windows 7 as of now.
Okay, and what do you need in terms of computing horsepower at home?
Computing horsepower at the office, because it's really a business tool right now, is we really suggest that we have people use it within the same firewall, or to be able to tunnel in via VPN, which most of us have when we're in business. So that's the first thing, is it's within the same firewall or corporate network or VPN to that network. So if you can VPN, whatever you can see on your screen, you can share with somebody else via SkyRoom. So it's not really a bandwidth issue from that standpoint, because you're only showing the video stuff. But when your loops move, okay, on one end, they're moving at the same time on the other, which is different than what you see in a lot of the free software today. So the other thing is, from a hardware standpoint, you do need a relatively robust but very common platform today with dual processors and the right megahertz and storage information, but not an uncommon purchase today for a business tool.
So you sign up, you have an ID like you would have for Skype, like an address, or how does that work?
Think about an IM buddy list.
Okay.
It's no more complicated than that. Okay. If the little green dot is there, you know your buddy's available, you click on it, and within an instant, they accept, you two are live on HP SkyRoom.
Outstanding. Thanks, Jim.
Great.